Cross already? Oh, that was terrible. Cut that out.
Dude, I forget I have this mic on. Yeah, I feel weird. It's like, yeah, I gotta speak. Yeah, we're mic'd up. You want to say something?
Both of you?
What's up, Pirate Nation?
Christian Swagger right here, sophomore. Any words?
Yeah, it's gonna be a good season. Let's go.
Getting that cardio. Yeah, the usual uptown right here. Let's go. What are you feeling? A little back fourth right here? Yeah. What's all? Best handshakes in the freaking world. Yeah, in the world. No.
Batman movies are better than Star Wars, hands down.
Oh my God.
Hands down. Do you guys not agree with that?
Bailey, you know what time it is. We're double fisted, baby. Let's go.
We're doing a passenger. Oh, dude, I actually like this show. This is the best. The worst when you get stuck with someone that just like can't catch though. Yeah, I'm a 380. Sorry, bud. One. Don't worry, I'll score on him. Ow! I have no left. Should have done a bit of a. That would have been nice. That's what I should have done.
Run full speed, man. Let's go.
Yeah, sorry. One more.
Yeah, Julian.
Go, Ty.
First practice, kid at a shot. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Two-sport athlete, Sean Light.
I want you sting top left. No one's sliding to you top left right here. One more. What up, Swags? Oh. Yo, Liam, be better than your cousin. Top left, stinger. Let's go. Ready, watch this. Ready, watch this. Watch this. Don't disappoint. Watch this.
Oh, you bum.
Marshmallow.
It's only because you said early. I was ready.
You were scared.
You weren't gonna hit.
You were just scared. No energy, nothing.
Not a camera guy.
Camera shy over here.
Oh.
Maybe I should make sure the angle.
Awkward on the video now. Get the hair. Get the hair.
My flow is better, bro.
So it's either push out,
Hey, Mom.
right, or tight.
I don't know.
Am I with this group? Oh, that's a good group right here. What do we got? Quinn. Oh, we're getting this. This is light work. Where's the ball? Hey, pull it out. Here you go. Goal. I tried with the GTV.
VCV, right?
Yeah.
GV. Let's go, Pat. UTV.
Getting quiet over there. Light work. Here, let's get after right now. Let's go, Sean.